It's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce our company. Our company is Perfect Laser. Perfect Laser is the world famous manufacturer of industry laser machines. Let me see the video of our company. You can see this. This is our front door, this is our desk, and our working place. You can see so many cells served for you. This is our meeting. And this is engineer designed the machine. And this is the workshop. And this is the assembling machine. You can see each step. All the workers are very sophisticated for the machine to keep the machine quality stable. You can see this assembling. And this is our fiber laser marking machine. This is CO2, this is the marking. You can see the marking result. It's very fast. And this is the Dfp marking machine. This is CO2 laser engraver cutter to cut wood, acrylic, and fabric. And this is the fiber laser marking cutting machine, the big machine. This is a computer. This is cutting the metal. You can see any shape you want to cut. This is the CNC router. You see it engraved. This is our whole team. And this is the 3D fiber laser marking. You can see. Hi, hello sir. Welcome to our live show. Hello again, hi, but I can't see your name. Welcome to our live show. And this is the CO2 laser engraver. And this is the Dfp. This is the inkjet marking machine. This is the fiber laser marker. Okay. Now you have the general idea of our company. We are the famous manufacturer. We manufacture the fiber laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine. Today, I want to introduce you our 4 main machines. This is the common type. Oh, sorry, how to see that? It's a common type to cut the sheet, and we have the fiber laser cutting machine to cut the pipe and tube, and we also have the hybrid fiber laser cutting machine to cut the sheet and the pipe. So you can buy one machine to cut 2 type of materials. And you have, if you don't have big space, you just can choose our small size, full closed fiber laser marking machine, fiber laser cutting machine. It's the black white, that type. This one, that type. And the cutting size is 600 by 600. If you have other size needed, you can ask us. We can customize for you. Okay. And now let me start. Now you can see this is all the fiber laser cutting. Why use this big? Why you invest so big to buy this fiber laser cutting machine? You can see the cutting is very precision, and the edge is very neat. No blurs, and you don't need to have second time to finish that. Save your time and also save your money. And you can see all these small parts. It can be used in the car parts and bodybuilding, kitchen utensils, mechanisms, and also some lamp and hardwares. You can see all these things. Now let's start with this small cutting machine. This is our fiber laser, small size fiber laser cutting machine. The model number is PEF6060. Okay, you can see it has a computer with the PC system and the full closed for the protection. And inside it has the cutting head and the work plate platform, and with the double rack driver. Let's see how it works. You can see this is the whole design of our machine with the water chiller, and this inside you can see the work platform. The size is 600 by 600. It's the standard size. If you want like 900 by 900 or 1000 by 1000, you can ask us. We can make for you. And this is engineered using the computer to import the file. And once all the parameters set ready, then you can see this is the beautiful flower we want to cut, and you can now start the machine. It cut. You can see it's cut very fast and leak. So any shape of the design you can cut by this fiber laser cutting machine. Hi, Mutak. Hi, you're from Pakistan, right? Nice to see you. Welcome to our live show. Now you can see this flower is finished. Very beautiful. Okay, finish it. You can see cutting is very neat. So you can make, this is cutting the letter. You can see cutting very neat. The edge is very smooth. Okay, this is the nameplate. You can see this cutting. Okay, this is our small size fiber laser cutting machine. You can see this design. I can show you some samples. This metal flower, beautiful metal flower. You can see it's very thin. You can see the thickness. You can see the thickness. It's only 1 millimeter. You can see 1 millimeter. You can see this. This is their leaves, each leaves, and you can see it. It's very sharp. The edge is very sharp. You can see. And this is before. It's a flat type. You can bend it to make that like. You can see this. It's very beautiful and very thin. You can see this edge. Hello, Mutak. Can it cut 15 millimeter? Yes, different laser power will cut different thickness. We have 1,000, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt, and 15. I know, mild steer. Normally 2 kilowatt is okay to cut this. Okay, you can see this. After I show some designs, I will let you see the details. Okay. And mild steer, let me show you. Okay. Hello Chang. Hello Yosef. Welcome to. Okay, Mutak, you mentioned the carbon steel 15 millimeter. This is the sample. The carbon steel 15 millimeter. You can see this, the cutting edge. Let me show you this size, 15 millimeter. You can see this. Can you see it? Is the thickness. It's mild steer. You can see this cutting. Okay, sorry. And this is also the carbon steel, the mild steel 12 millimeter cut. You can see this edge, and this inside is very big, very heavy. And this is also the carbon steel. You can see this. Let me check this thickness. Okay, you can see this. Okay, let's see. You can see this over 10 millimeter. Let me see it. Okay, it's 10 millimeter. It's 10 millimeter. This thickness. You can see it's 10 millimeter. Hello, Walton. Welcome to our live show. And you can see how dedicated. You can see this design, this edge, and so many widths. You can see this cutting. Very neat, right? Cutting very neat, very precision. You can see this is all cut by our fiber laser cutting machine. The small hole, big, and changed. You can see this, all kinds of hole. And we even have this Phoenix. You can see this is very dedicated design. Cutting this is very, you can see this feather and this there swing. So dedicated. It's a work of art. Cutting is very beautiful. And even for the age. Okay, let's see the thickness. Is the stainless steel 1 millimeter. You can see. Okay, I can show you this. Okay, cutting this size, 1 millimeter thickness. You can see this is small, thin, very dedicated, beautiful. And this pattern is more like the metal. This is also cutting. If you kind of cut the metal window, that pattern is also okay. And this is I love. This is the brass. Oh, yes. Cutting need the gas, need the nitrogen and the oxygen. It will make the edge very not make the edge smooth. If you cut, let me see this. Okay, one moment. Its cutting speed is. Let me show you something. Let me see. No, not this. Let me see. One moment. Let me see this. The nitrogen. If you cut the carbon steel, you use the oxygen. If you cut the stainless steel, you use the nitrogen. This is the gas we need. Hello, Mutat? Can you hear? Okay. If you don't use gas, that edge will turn yellow because it burned without gas to cool it down. Okay. Now we show so many designs, and let's see the application. It's applied for cutting carbon steel, mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. You know this aluminum. This is the aluminum 3mm. And silicon steel, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, galvanized steel, and many other kinds of metal materials, brass, copper, that kind of things. And the cutting thickness, you can see different power will cut different thickness. So you can ask ourselves to give you the details of the cutting parameter. Normally, you can see this 3,000 watt, 4,000 watt, 6,000 watt. It cut. The high power, the cutting. Hello, Yota. Welcome to our live show. And now let's introduce our machine details. First, the big detail. The big part is the fiber laser source. Is the king part. We use the IPG, Rakers, Max, JPT. This 4 brand laser source. The cutting speed can up to 50 meter per minute. This is the big fiber laser, big part for fiber laser source. The second part is the laser cutting head. You see the cutting head. We use the imported fiber laser cutting head with dynamic autofocusing function. It can keep the same distance according to metal plate and the cutting head during the cutting. So different cutting head have the different cutting effect. And normally we use the brand Raytool, RAYTOOL. And the third is the work platform. The small size work platform is 600 by 600, and hello Motec. About price, our sales will send you the details, the quotation, with because different configuration have different price. You have used this machine before. Oh great, you have the experience that will be better, and you know which make the machine more fast. Our factory is in Wuhan, Optics Valley, in China. Yes, we are in China, and our president Xi visit visit the Optics Valley in June this year. Yes, warmly welcome if you because recently the COVID-19 come out again. So if you can if you have the opportunity to come in, and we need to check the quarantine policy, and then can let you come to our place, and so you can visit our factory. Okay, now next. For now we don't know, because for now we testing every day. Every day. If we don't have the test, so we can't take on the bus. I need to check the authority. I need to call, and then we can give you the answers. Because the policy changed every month, every day, depends on the situation. Okay, we will call the authority and reply you by email. Okay. Okay, we will check. Definitely, we will reply you that. Okay, let's back to our introduction. The 30 is the work platform. The small size is 600 by 600 millimeter. Okay, no worries. We can contact later by email. Don't worry. Okay. Now, about the work platform, we have the this small size is 600 by 600 millimeter, and today is the live show for fiber laser cutting machine, and tomorrow will be another machine. But don't worry, we can contact by WhatsApp or email. Don't worry, we will not lose contact. Okay, the part 4 parts is the cutting observation window. The green glass cover window can filter the laser beam, so you can protect your eye away from the laser injury. So for some Europe customers, they care more about the worker safety. So this safety cover with the observation window is your best choice. And then the 5 part is the okay. Hi Dimitri, thank you. I will introduce more to you. And hello Mutak. Okay, we will keep in touch. Don't worry. Okay, the 5 part is the PC control system. It assigned along with the machine, and you can see. So you can import your file and set the parameter, and once ready, you can operate the machine. And the 6th part is the Japan imported servo motor and the driving system. This imported servo motor and the driving system can keep the extremely precision position, make moving position operated smoothly, reliable, and free of maintenance. And this is also the big cost. And the 7th part is the double rack 2-side. We use the double drive rack transmission system. It can ensure the cutting precision and make the cutting speed fast. The 8th part is the control system. For now, we have 2 types. Some customers get used to the NC Studio control system, and some will prefer the SideCut. So which one do you prefer? You can contact us. We can customize for you. Don't worry. So The 9th part is the drawer. It's convenient to collect the metal pieces because once you cut, there are some parts cut. You have to collect them. Then you can use this drawer. And the 10 is the water chiller. The water chiller can cooling the fiber laser source, and it can stable the cutting power. So the good water chiller will make the machine running smoothly, and it will enhance the working efficiency. Okay, now it's our bonus time. One moment, you can see it's our bonus time. If you order in the live stream, if order value is 7,000, you will get a 100 discount. If order over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. And also this, you can see this, the warranty. Normally the order warranty is 12 months, but if you order in this live show, you will get doubled. It's 24 months warranty. It's very big, double the time. It's very favorable for you. You can see this. Okay. Hello, Dimitri. Oh, you are from Russia. Oh, we have sold many machines to Russia. Yeah. Okay. Now, now let's go to this. This is the standard type. Normally, you will know this size is 3,000 by 1,500. You can see this big size. And let's see this. It also have the laser optic bridge because it's big, so the cutting head can move around. And it has a control cabinet with the computer built inside. And it also have the material fitting wheel. You can see this part, and the laser cutting head. You can see this working video of this machine. You can see the whole machine. You can see this. It's our working table. Hello, Canada friend. Nancy, I can't see your name, but welcome to our live show. You can see this, our big machine, big fiber laser cutting machine. How you can see how it works. The control box with the computer, and this is the water chiller. You can see the temperature and the DSP controller. You can control the machine by DSP, and this is the computer operation. You can see imported file. And this imported the cutting file and adjusted, set the parameter, and then operation. Now it cuts. You can see the small hole. Whatever your drawing file, we will cut for you. So this is the fiber laser cutting works. So dedicated. Big hole, small hole, and even with many edges, it still can work perfect. You can see this gouge. Small teeth. It's cutting. This part is very precision, but we finished the job very well. You can see it. You can see. Oh, this seems like this. You can see this. The edge, the small. Each card is very smooth. Okay, this cutting. It's cutting the fish. The fish, metal fish. It seems like the kitchen utensil. And now it's cutting. Let's see, cutting our logo. Our logo is perfect laser. You can see the color cutting, the letter, every part. Hello, Nico. Welcome to our live show. Now we are talking about the fiber laser cutting machine. You can see how it works. Hello, mid-wall housing. Okay. Are you from Japan? Welcome to our live show. Now you can see our fiber laser cutting machine cutting our brand. Okay, finish it. You can see this cutting edge. Let me show you this. Okay. This is cutting. You can see aluminum 2mm. Perfect laser. This is our brand cutting. Hello, Farhad from United States. Welcome to our live show. Now we are talking about the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, now finish it. Next floor. Okay, next floor. Talk about the heavy machine build body. We use the heavy loading bed, strong and stable, and the work table can load maximum 500 kilos. And won't destroy after a long time using. Okay, this machine body have big difference. Some use the very thin material, and some customer told us they used after 3 months, and then the whole machine body collapsed. So that's very terrible. Even the laser source is good, but the machine body is collapsed. You can't build another machine body and ship it here, so it's totally waste of money. So you can see the big price gap that depends on each details. The heavy machine body, we use the 100mm by 100mm with 6mm thickness square metal tube. And the second part is the laser cutting head. We use the Swiss imported laser cutting head, and it has the dynamic auto focusing function. When you use the laser cutting machine with over 1,500 watts, like 1,500 watts and 2,000 watts, 3,000 watts, it's automatically equipped with the autofocusing. And the focusing adjustment is convenient and flexible. And with digital height sensor, it makes cutting more efficient. Okay, the third part is the powerful fiber laser source. You can choose the Rickers laser source, or the Max laser source, or the IPG laser source. This brand, also JPT if you want. And different laser sources have different price. It also have the different quality. So, but each laser source it with high stability and long time service. So you don't worry about that. And the sawtooth type work table, you can see the whole table covered with the sawtooth to hold the metal sheet, make the carting stable. Okay, that's 5. Okay, also it used the Japan Panasonic soft model. Some customer will prefer the Yaskawa or the Fuji. It depends on your like. If you like, we can equip for you, because different configuration, different price. Okay, normally the Panasonic soft motor is the standard, and it can increase the carting speed and stability. Make the positioning accuracy in 0.05 millimeter, and make the maximum moving speed to 90 meter per minute. And the serve system has fast dynamic response acceleration characteristic to ensure smooth and reliable machine operation and maintain free operation. So this soft model will make the machine carting precision and cutting fast. This is it. Okay. The 6th part is the Taiwan made China Taiwan made Hinwin leading guide rail. Okay, this guide rail also with the high precision accuracy, it will suitable for high speed movement and reduce the driving horsepower required for the machine, and it's easy to assemble and interchangeable. Lubrication structure simple. Okay, for the Hinwin leading guide rail, there are some, the real brand or fake brand. So that's also the price gap. So be careful for the fake brand. And the 7th part is the bore auto fitting design. Adopt the fitting wheel design, make the material fitting easily, save labor energy. This is small bore aside the machine can help load the material. And the separate controlling cabinet, you can see this whole controlling cabinet is beside the machine. It with the professional industry PC control system, and we have the software installed in it, and we set the parameter ready before we ship the machine to you. It can save the future operation cost. For example, if you are worried about the carting parameter, or it's very hard to adjust the parameter, you can ask ahead before the shipping. You can ask us like, please set the 1 millimeter carting parameter, 2 millimeter carting parameter, and we set ready, and we save the data in the computer. And then when you receive the machine, you just open that and just use it. Okay, just also need some adjustment, but the work will very easy. Okay, the 9 is also the powerful water chiller. The water chiller, it can increase the stability of the cutting power and make the cutting power stable, avoid material cutting completely, and enhance the working efficiency. And the 10th part is the Dfp Control Panel. Sometimes the worker may not stand beside the controlling company. They will see how it cuts. So they can use this DSP control panel, and it has the remote control and easy to operate in anywhere. You can check and then operate the machine at any place around the machine. So it's like a portable. Okay, now our bonus time. Okay. Now the same. If you order it in this live stream, if order value is 3,000, you will get 50 discount. If order value over 7,000, you will get 100 discount. Moreover, not the discount, and the warranty. Warranty is more important. If you order the offline, like order the by email, this you will normally we will offer you 12 months warranty. But if you ordered in this live stream, it's a big favorable. We have about double the warranty time. Now you will enjoy 24 months warranty. You can see this. Okay. Let's see. This is the 24 warranty. Okay, let's back to the machine. We introduced our small size fiber laser cutting machine, our standard sheet fiber laser cutting machine. Now let's see this. This is the hybrid fiber laser cutting machine. Some customers want to cut the tube and cut the sheet. Now, so choose this one will be save your time, save your budget. You can see this machine, it can cut the sheet and also can cut the pipe and the tube. Now you can see this also has the control box, control system with the cutting head. Hello, Mr. Moose. Hello, Miss Moose. Welcome to our fiber laser cutting machine live stream. Now we are talking about the fiber laser cutting machine, cutting sheet, plate, and pipe. You can see this is the machine. Let me show you some cutting tube. This is the pipe cutting. If you want to join the hole in the pipe and cutting this, cutting square, cutting rectangle, this. Okay, and this is the big. This is a small pipe. You can see. Let's measure the diameter. One moment. Where's my ruler? Oh, here. Okay. Let's see the diameter of this pipe. Okay, it's 3. Let's see the diameter of this pipe. It's 3 centimeter, 30 millimeter. Okay, let's see this big one. This is big pipe, big tube. And you can see this pattern is complicated, but it can also cut very well. You can see this. You can see this edge very smooth, very smooth. You can see this beautiful cutting, the hole. And this diameter, let's see. Okay, it's 100 millimeter, 10 millimeter diameter. Let's see. And the thickness is, let me see, 1.5 millimeter. You can, okay, you can see this. Okay, you can see this big size, big. Okay, this is the round tube. Some customers may want to cut this square tube. You can see this square tube is also okay. This square tube. You can drill the hole, rectangle, and also this. If you want to cut this, cut at the corner, it also can finish it. You can see it's cutting. You can see this square. It's also square. different size square. So round, square, rectangle, all kinds of tube we can also cut. Okay, let's back to the machine. It has the control system and with the DSP remote controller and the cutting head and also the rotary cutting system. The Rotary Chapter can hold this in the cutting. Okay, let's see how it works. You can see in our working video of this machine. You can see the rotary beside the sheet and the control cabinet and the sheet size, the working table. You can see the whole machine. It's the cutting head. We use the Swiss imported cutting head. It's a control cabinet with industry computer. This is the rotary. You can the cutting pipe. And this the hello, Marcelo. Hello, Marcelo. Welcome to our live show. We are now talking the fiber laser cutting machine to cut the sheet and the pipe. This is the working video. You can see it cut the very dedicated design. You can see this imported the now it cut the tube and pipe, also with the different design. You can see it's big design. No matter drilling the hole or cutting all kinds of shape, you can see the design is so dedicated, but we still finish the job very well. Hello, Adelaide. Welcome to our live show of the fiber laser cutting machine. Now we are showing you the machine cutting the pipe. You can see it's cutting very fast and finishes the design work so dedicated. Now you can see this is the sample. This is here. It's big, so many patterns, right? So it's so beautiful design. Cutting for decoration is very high elegant. You can see here we also have some. Okay. Now you can see it can cut this rectangular tube, the round tube, and in different shape tube. And if you need a welding machine, we also can supply you. And you can see some drill many holes inside in the tube. You can all finish it. Now let's introduce the whole machine. First is the fiber laser source. The fiber laser source, you can choose the IPG or the Rakers or the Max or the JPT. Any fiber laser source brand you want, you can check with us. We can code according to different configuration. No matter what kind of the fiber laser source, with the same power, it can cut the relevant thickness of the metal. So for the laser source, the laser beam quality is nice and is high reliability, and the work life is 100,000 hours. No extra maintenance cost. So with this fiber laser source, maybe in 3 or 5 years, you don't need to have other consumables for this fiber laser source. If you careful use, be careful with good maintenance of this fiber laser source. And the second part is the cutting head. The carting head, we use the Switzerland imported Retool, R-A-Y-T-O-O-L, Retool brand. It's very famous. It has the dynamic focusing system, can find out the material and cutting automatically with high sensitive and better stable. And the third part is the surf motor. You know, surf motor is very stable and fast. And we use the Japan imported 750 watt Panasonic brand. And some customers may like the Yaskawa or Fuji. You can tell us, we can equip for you according to your request. And we use the surf motor and the driving system. It can keep the positioning accuracy within 0.05 millimeter and make the maximum moving speed 90 meter per minute and no noise. And it has greatly improved the carting speed and the stability. And the fourth part is the rotary carting system, because it can cut sheet and cutting pipe. Cutting sheet, we use the plate cutting work table, but cutting the pipe or tube, we use the rotary cutting system. And the standard cutting diameter is 150 millimeter. But some customer may need the 220 millimeter. We can also equip for you. And the length, the pipe or tube length normally is the 6 meters length. Some customer may say that our tube just 3 meter length. How the price? Oh, sorry, because the 6 meter is the standard. Even you cut 3 meter, you said is shortened, but the cost is the same. So normally we recommend it just by the 6 meter length. The standard type will save your cost. And it also can, some customer may worry about that we have customer also inquiring about 12 meter length. That's very big. If you want that big size, you can check with us. We can customize according to special request. And this rotary system also have different price because our design is unique. Oh, sorry. It can avoid technical problems that are not concentrated when the pipe is bent and cut. It can continue cut each angle without any stop very fast. And the key point is that the clamp collect the pipe or tube. Some may have the 3 claw or different requests. We all customize for you if you want. Okay, now the 5th part is the LCD controller. The control panel and the system with English version and easy to learn and operate. And the 6th is the DSP remote controller. It will make engineer easy control the movement of the carting of all direction. And it is wireless and portable, so engineer can check how it cart and operate the machine around at any side of the machine. It's very easy, not have to stand beside the controlling cabinet. Also, the 7th part is the auto-feeding board design. It's easy for feeding the flat metal sheet from all directions. This will save a lot of work labor. Okay, this is the 8th part is the auto lubricating device. The gear rack can be automatically lubricated, ensure the rack's precision and long-term using. So you just fill it, it will auto lubricating the device. And the 9 is the water chiller. It's water chiller. We use the famous Hanli. The brand is Hanli brand. 3 HP high power water chiller. It can keep the laser head in a comfortable working temperature all the time, make the machine work stable. So the water chiller quality is also very important. Not only the laser source cutting head. Okay. Now, for cutting the metal, at first we have the plasma cutter, and then we upgraded to a laser cutter, and some may even have the water jet cutter, right? Some customers have water jet cutter, but they said the water jet cutter is good to cut every material, but the shortcoming is it's very slow, so they have to purchase a laser cutter. So why choose fiber laser cutting machine? This has the following. This is the advantage of the fiber laser cutting machine. First, the laser beam is high quality. The fiber laser has small focus diameter and high work efficiency, high accuracy, and cutting quality. It can cut very dedicated jobs. This is built for Phoenix. You can see this art design is cutting so dedicated. But if you use the plasma cutter, you can't cut like this. You can see you can't cut the edge very smooth, this part. Okay, the second is the high cutting speed. The cutting speed is more than 60 meters per minute. Like we said before, that the water jet cutter customers, they already have the water jet cutter, and the water jet cutter is also a big investment. But why they need to buy the fiber laser cutter again? Because they have to speed up to make the work efficiency, and improve the work efficiency will give you more order and make you more profit. So that's why they have to buy another fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, the third is the stable running. It with the Rakers, Max, IPG, GPT, all kinds of brand laser source. The laser source is stable performance, and the lifetime can reach 100,000 hours. So at least 3 to 5 years, you don't worry so much about the fiber laser source. Not like the water jet have many expensive consumables, and also like the plasma, also very high cost of the consumables. So this is the good side of the fiber laser cutting machine. And the fourth is high efficiency for photoelectric conversion. Compared with CO2 laser cutting machine, before fiber laser cutting machine, there were many years ago, they had CO2 laser cutting machine, and also very expensive, but now it has outdated. The fiber laser cutting machine is already replaced that. The fiber laser cutting machine has 3 times photoelectric conversion efficiency than the CO2 laser cutting machine. Some customer bought the CO2 laser cutting machine years ago, and they come to ask for consumables, but that costly. Some parts may already stop production, so it's better to have to choose the new technology and update the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, the 5 parts is the no cost. It can save the energy and protect the environment. First, the photoelectric conversion rate is up to 25 to 30 and low electric power consumption. It's only about 20% to 30% of traditional CO2 laser cutting machine. So the only use is the electricity and some gas, and also as about the electricity consumption, power consumption, it can save you 20 to 30% compared with the old CO2 laser cutting machine. So you save a lot of cost. Sixth is free of maintenance. Fiber optical transmission, no need to reflect lens without optical adjustment to save maintenance cost. Okay, if you already have CO2 laser engraver cutter to cut the acrylic, to cut the wood, to cut the leather, sure, that kind of thing, you may very headache about the alignment, right? The focus lens, the reflect mirror, but this fiber laser cutting machine no need the reflect lens, so it's just cutting. If you with the autofocusing, so you don't worry about the just set the parameter with the correct nozzle, and then you can cut. It's very easy to operation. And the eighth part is super flexible optical effects. It's compact design, comply with flexible production requirement. Like one machine, like the machine we said before, it can cut sheet and the pipe at the same. So one machine can do two jobs. You can save your time. Hello, Trong from Vietnam. Welcome to our fiber laser cutting machine live show. Now we're introduce the advantage of fiber laser cutting machine. That's why we choose the fiber laser cutting machine. You can see this. And if you want to know more, you can send us email. We will send you the detailed PDF, so you won't miss anything. Okay. Now we have introduced the three machine. Now the last machine is the pipe cutting machine. It's only cut pipe. Some customer only do the pipe job, so they will only use the fiber laser cutting machine to cut their pipe. So this is our pipe cutting machine. You can see this. It has the operation panel. It has a rotary fixture head and laser cutting head, also rotary fixture. Now you can see this cutting sample. It can cut the round tube, round pipe, big size, small size. You can drill holes, drill all kinds of holes, and it can also not only round, the rectangular pipe. Hello Jean, welcome to our live show of fiber laser cutting machine. Now we're introduce the fiber laser cutting machine to cut the pipe, the square pipe. You can see this edge cutting. Can drill in many holes. Okay, you can see how it works. You can see the video. Now you can see the video. This is the whole pipe cutting machine, how it works. You can see it's rotary and cutting, drilling holes, cutting all kinds of designs. You can see. It's automatic thing, no need. You can finish the job perfect with the precision job. Okay, finish it. And this is the DSP control. You can see the card now is the square tube. You can see drilling holes and card. You can see the sample, round, square, and even any different shape. Okay, now the video, now you know how it works. Okay. Okay, normally the fiber laser cutting machine for pipe is much higher than the fiber laser cutting machine for sheet. Why? Let's see. It has the driven technology, ensures stable performance of the whole fiber laser cutting machine. And the second part is the iron casting heavy machine body. We use the heavy loaded machine body, strong and stable. Heavy loaded, won't destroy after long time using. And the third part is the fiber laser source. It's the same with the previous three machine. You can choose Rakers, IPG, Max, JPT, all kinds of laser brand source. And all the laser source can have the stable laser beam and with the long working life of 100,000 hours, and it's free maintenance, no need adjustment, and save your maintenance cost. And the fourth is very important, is the rotary fixture. It's tightly fixed metal round pipe and square tube, and fed the tube during the cutting. So this rotary fixture is very important part, and also why the price different. Why the Oh, hi Sanam, welcome to our live stream. We're now talking about the fiber laser cutting machine for pipe. The rotary fixture is the big part, and the quality details will determine the different price. The final part is the cutting head. We normally use the Switzerland imported laser cutting head with a dynamic autofocusing function. And it can achieve high cutting efficiency and suitable for cutting high precision parts. You can see this pattern are very dedicated. You definitely need the high precision to cut this, and the cutting edge is very smooth. Okay, the sixth part is the red light pointer. As the laser beam is invisible, the red light pointer can indicate the laser beam position. It makes cutting more accuracy. It's just like your eyes to it's like the pointer, point the starting cutting place. And the sixth, unit mirror and the lens cooling system. All mirrors are cooled by circulated water. It takes the heat of mirror during working, prolong the mirror long life, save operation cost. It's inside the laser cutting head. The laser cutting head, inside it has a focus lens, has the protective lens. It's all inside the fiber laser cutting head. And the eighth part is Dfp Control Panel. It enables remote control everywhere, easy to operate. You don't, so the engineer don't need to stand by the control cabinet. They can check the cutting result and control the machine at any side of the machine. Okay. So some may worried, some will be curious about what is the difference between the fiber laser cutting machine for pipe or fiberblade cutting machine to cut pipe and sheet. Okay, here is the difference. You can see the chunk diameter. For the hybrid cutting machine, that 2-in-1 to cut pipe and sheet. For the square pipe diameter, it is 130 to 140 millimeter diameter, and it can cut 200 millimeter, and even big size is 330 to 340 millimeter. Well, the professional fiberblade cutting machine for pipe, it can have bigger cutting size than that hybrid cutting machine. Like if you want to cut the round pipe, diameter is 160 millimeter. You can see that the chunk diameter. Hello Frankie, welcome to our live stream of fiberblade cutting machine. Now we're talking about the fiberblade cutting machine to cut the pipe and the fiberblade cutting machine to cut pipe and the sheet, the difference. So you can see the chunk diameter on the hybrid machine and the chunk diameter on the professional pipe cutting machine. There are two different cutting pipe size. So you can choose according to your need. Okay, let's talk about the machine operating cost. Some customer ask most about this. It depends on the whole machine power and assistant gas. Setting 80%, for example, and in China, RMB. Let's see. We cost 1 RMB for 1 kilowatt hours electricity. You can see the water chiller is option item, and take 5 kilowatt for example. If we use the 1,500 watt fiberblade cutting machine, the whole machine, if with the air cutting, the whole machine power consumption is 12 kilowatt. And if you use the oxygen cutting, it's the same. Nitrogen cutting also 12 kilowatt. Hello, Mason. Welcome to our live stream of fiberblade cutting machine. Now we're talking about the machine operating cost. Many boss will care so much about this. Hello friend from US. Welcome to our fiberblade cutting machine live stream. Now we're talking about the machine operating cost. Take the 1,500 watt fiberblade cutting machine for example. The whole machine consumption is 12 kilowatt, and the consumable parts, let's see, 2 RMB per hour. And the gas, so cutting need gas, need nitrogen, need oxygen, and if you don't have nitrogen, oxygen, you need air compressor to make air cutting. It can also. So the gas for air cutting, the gas is 15 RMB per hour. But if you use oxygen cutting, the gas cost is about 11 RMB per hour. If you use nitrogen cutting, the gas cost is about 27 RMB per hour. Okay, the total cost, you can see the whole machine electricity power, add the consumable parts, add the gas cost. So we have calculated for you the whole machine. For if you use air cutting, 1 hour cost you 4.14 US dollar, and if you use the oxygen cutting, 1 hour cost you 3.57 US dollar. For nitrogen carting, 1 hour you will cost you $7.28 US. So this is the total cost. For machine power is 1,500 watt. If you use 2,000 watt, 3,000 watt, 4,000 watt, even 6,000 watt, 8,000 watt, 12 kilowatt, 12,000 watt, we can calculate it for you. If you want the details, just email us. We will send you the details. This is the operation cost. Okay, for the gas cost, you know, if you card stainless steel, you need to use the nitrogen. If you card the carbon steel, you have to use the oxygen. So the oxygen gas is per cylinder. The gas we normally buy the cylinder. Each cylinder is in China is 90 RMB. In US dollar is 12.8 US dollar. It can use 30 millions. You can use 30 millions. And for nitrogen, each cylinder nitrogen cost is 70 RMB. It's about 10 US dollars. You can use 10 millions, so it's used very fast. And the cutting effect, for 3mm carbon steel, the mild steel testing, if you use the oxygen, you can see this blackboard. For 3mm stainless steel cutting, you can see this edge is white. Use the nitrogen cutting, you can see this edge is white and clean, very clear, very neat cutting. Okay, the last part is the after-sales service. Most customers worry about that. Normally the guarantee time is 12 months for the whole machine. How calculated the 12 months is from the date on which the machine arrived at the port of the destination, except the damaged artificially and the conventional consumables. Puff Laser will be responsible for offering the fitting free of charge during the guarantee period. Well, please kindly send back damaged fittings to us before we send back the alternative fitting parts. So let's see. If you ordered in the live stream, you will get double. You know, if you ordered here, ordered in this, you will get double. Normally the guarantee is 12 months, but if you ordered here in the live stream, you will get 24 months. And the second part is we will give technical guide by online meeting when you have any problem on installation, operation, adjusting, maintaining, and we will offer technical supporting to ensure safety use and maintaining, including operation manual for installation, adjusting, operating, and maintaining, professional cutting software backup, and quick supplyment of key components with reasonable price. Okay, you can see before the machine shipped, we triple checked with the engineer, check this, and we have 48 hours running test, 72 hours aging test. Before shipping, we send you the inspection video and the inspection picture. After you confirm the inspection video and inspection picture is okay, then we pack the machine with the export wooden box and ship the machine to you. And after you got the machine, if you are worried, if you read the printed material, read the printed manual we sent to you, and also the training video, and you still don't understand, like some newcomer customers their first time to use the laser cutting machine. They have no idea how to operate the laser machine. So you can contact us directly. We have the online meeting. Hello, Rick. Hello, Rick. Welcome to our live show. Now we almost at the end. It's talking about when you got a machine, you don't know how to operate. You're totally new for the laser machine. So you contact with our engineer. We have the online meeting. You put your phone camera to the machine. We guide you step by step. We just finished the installation from a Vietnam customer. They have no idea what the laser machine works. We help them to assemble the machine step by step, and the machine assembled ready. And then we teach them how to cut wire. At first they don't cut very well because they are new. They don't know how to operate the machine. We teach them how to cut the material, and now they have learned. And now they're just because the engineer is very new, so they want us to save each parameter, because they have to cut 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter. They need us to help them to get the best parameter and save in the computer. So they will not ask us to teach online again. So we help them to find the best parameter and save in their computer. And later when they work, they just put the parameter and start work, and no need to worry about other things. So we just finished this job. We have our perfect laser is have over 25 years in the laser machine. So our engineer is professional and our machine quality is stable. So don't worry about after-sales service. We will make sure your machine works and works well, and you will get your work done efficiently. So don't worry, and welcome to buy our machine. And if you can buy in the live stream, that will be better. You will enjoy double the warranty time. You can just like this, double the warranty time. That's big. That's the big discount. Big favorite. Okay, now it's almost the end of the. You can see this is our customer show. We sold the machine over 108 countries. You can see in city. This is before the COVID-19. Before the COVID-19, we send engineer overseas, help customer to fix the problem on site and help them to make the training. But after COVID-19, it's very hard to go abroad. So we mainly for online support. So don't worry, the same. We will solve the problem and help you make the machine running very well. This is our customer show, because we we fix their problem. We teach them how to use. And why choose perfect laser? You can see first we have rich experience in laser machine. We established it in 1995. We have over 25 years. And the second, we have C certificate, ISO, ROHS, TUV, SGS certified. You can get all the certificate here. And we export to 108 countries and areas with good feedback worldwide. And hello, Iman, hello. Welcome to our live show. Now it's almost end of the live show, but don't worry. If you have any question about the fiber laser cutting machine, you can email us. We will send you all the files. Don't worry, you won't miss any details. Okay, now we have the full set of solution, one-stop purchasing. Because we not only produce the fiber laser cutting machine. We also have the fiber laser welding machine, fiber laser marking machine, fiber laser cleaning machine. So all the laser related and some CNC machine like wood router, CNC router, and okay, we will send you catalog. Hi, Iman. Our sales will send you the product catalog later by email. Hi, Jen. Welcome to our live stream. It's almost end, but don't worry, we will send you all the details if you want, so you won't miss any details. Okay, we have 2 hours quick response and 24 hours technical support. So some customer may worry about the after-sales service. Like other customers, they said after they bought the machine, before they bought machine, they said very well. After they bought machine, some sales just disappeared, and they don't solve their problem and left them in desperate. It's very terrible. But our Perfect Laser will definitely not abandon the customer. We will responsible from beginning to the end, so don't worry. And we are talking about the after sales service. We have another, because our machine is stable, the machine quality is very stable. Hello, back here. Welcome to our live stream. Our machine quality is stable. It will save a lot of trouble for the after sales service. If the quality is not stable, then you will have problem every day, or sometimes it will make your work efficiency very low. That will be very uncomfortable, right? So our machine all have 48 hours running test, 72 hours aging test before we ship to you. So don't worry about our machine quality. And about delivery time, we will speed up. Normally 30 working days, we will make the machine ready. And due to recently the electricity power limited because of the hot weather, everybody needs the air conditioner, so the electricity is shortage. But we will still keep our delivery time for you. We will speed up for you. And we also have the training video, and the training video is easy for you to learn. And machine is free of maintenance. You know, the laser source is free of maintenance. Only some nozzle and protective lens is the consumable parts, and it's very small cost, so you can ignore that. And about engineer overseas service, before COVID-19 we offer this, but after COVID-19 it's very hard to go abroad. But don't worry, we will have online support. We will help you fix the problem. Don't worry about this. And about the last part, if you are not satisfied, you can have the 100 payment refund. But I guarantee you, from our company established till now, over these 25 years, no refund come out, because our machine quality is stable and our engineer is professional to fix the problem already, and the customer are very satisfied with us. So don't worry, and just make more inquiry for us, get your ideal machine, and get the best service. Okay, now it's already okay, now it's our live stream is already finished today. And okay, if you feel you learned a lot, you can click here to follow us, because we have other machine introduction every day. And if you need a catalog, you can click here to get the catalog. And thank you for watching our live stream. Okay, we must stay tuned for us. Okay. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also send us email or WhatsApp, and we will reply you all the details. Don't worry. Okay. Bye. Okay. At the end, you can see our machine. You can see our company. This is our headquarters. This is our honor wall. This is our sales team. Okay, you can see this, our 5 laser cutting machine. Cutting work is the router, CNC router. Hello Zed, hello Toss. Okay, we will offer you the best service, don't worry. Hi. Okay, see you next time, bye.